Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. Thought of the day. Action speaks louder than words. It means, students, it's important that what you do, not that what you say. We say so many things. Yes or no? We say so many things that I want, just for example, that I want to score first rank. But for that, I need to read, I need to learn, I need to do the action. So that is why it is said that action speaks louder than words. What you say is not important, what you do is important. Okay, students? Today in this session of social, we are going to start with the revision of social. As we have already completed the chapters, we have completed the worksheet. Now we will start with the revision. So first question will be answer the following in one word. Okay. Now first one, which route was used by India for trading? Of course, for export and import of good in the ancient time, they were using sea route. Okay, what they Indian people were using? Indian people were using sea route. Okay, and that is why European people and many Europeans and Britishers tried to search the route of India by sea. Okay. Now, in which countries did the demand of Indian silk, clothes, spices ever in great demand? Now, as I told you that India was very prosperous and was very wealthy, right? During ancient time, right? So many Europeans, right, were eager to trade in India as the commodities like cotton, silk, muslin cloth, fabric, and we can say other spices were in great demand in European market. Even cotton, right? They were great demand in European market, and that is why we can say that the commodities were demand in European market. To which country did the brave sailor Columbus belongs to? Now, as I told you, that Columbus was the very first person who tried to search the sea route to India, right? So he belongs to Italy. He was Italian, right? Italian sailor. So he belongs to Italy. Where did Columbus reach instead of India? Now, as he was finding the sea route to India, but accidentally he reached to America, right? He reached to America. So answer is America. Now, who became successful in finding new sea route to India? Now, students, Portuguese sailor, a great Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama was the first person to find the sea route to India. On whose orders were the Portuguese ship at Hooghly destroyed? Now, when the people, right, when the Britishers were ruling in Bengal, right, the conditions of the farmers was very poor, right? So they complained to King Shah Jahan about it, as at that time Shah Jahan was ruling. So they complained about it, and with the order of Shah Jahan, they destroyed the Portuguese ship. And then the Portuguese come to know that now our rule is end here. We cannot rule. Okay. On which port first British ship lands? Now, Elizabeth. We have talked about Elizabeth, right? Queen Elizabeth. He started or established British East India Company. So the ship reached. First, the ship reached in India in the port of Surat. Where? Port of Surat. Okay, students. Now, students, next. During whose rule did the Portuguese power came to an end? As I told you that the Subedaris, the farmers have complained King Shah Jahan about the strict rules of Portuguese, right? So what they did, what Shah Jahan did, ordered to put fire on the ship of Britishers, right? So Shah Jahan, after his order, Portuguese rule came to an end. Who England when the British East India Company was established? Now, as I told you that when British East India Company established, who ruled? Queen Elizabeth. Okay, Queen Elizabeth ruled over British East India Company. This I have already explained, right? Now, which king opposed the policy of not paying tax? Now, before Battle of Plassey, and Battle of Buxar, they fought this battle because of only one reason. Britishers traded but they did not pay the tax. Because of non-payment of tax, there was war between the king and British East India Company. So who was the first one to fight for it? That is Siraj-ud-Dowlah was the first person to fight for non-payment of tax. Okay. Now next, who became the Nawab of Bengal after Battle of Plassey? Now, as I told you that in Battle of Plassey, right, as Britishers were knowing that till if Siraj-ud-Dowlah is ruling, it is difficult for them to rule. So what they did, they bribed Mir Jafar. Bribe means lalach dena. Okay, they bribed Mir Jafar that if you will support us, you will be the next Nawab of particular place, right? So what happened in the war? Siraj-ud-Dowlah died, and who became the Nawab after Battle of Plassey? Mir Jafar. Okay. Now, to which family does the earth belong to? Now, students, our earth belongs to solar family, right? It comes in solar family, Mercury, Venus and earth. Yes or no? Right? Many other planets are also there, right? So, earth comes in solar family. From where the earth separated? Now, as I told you that earth was like a fireball, right? After the collision from the sun, after the departure from the sun, right, it started melting. After that, some substance changed into solid, some into liquid and some into gases, right? So it is, the collision was done or the departure was done from sun. Okay, what is the solid and rocky sphere called? The sphere that is solid, that is made up of rock and soil, is known as lithosphere. Okay. What are the molten rocks called? Molten rocks are present in the interior of the earth. These molten rocks are kind of fire, right, and liquidy substance, right, in the interior of the earth, and that is known as magma. Okay, students, that is known as magma. Now, students, next is, what are the water areas of the earth called? Now, students, all the water bodies like river, ocean, seas, they comes in hydrosphere, right? Water bodies comes in what? Hydrosphere. Okay, so they are known as hydrosphere. What are the huge bodies on the surface of the earth called? Now, huge water bodies on the surface of earth are oceans, right? Oceans and seas are huge water bodies. Okay. Now, which sphere gives the gift of fresh water to humans? Now, fresh water. Water, it means hydrosphere. Water is equal to hydrosphere. So, who gives fresh water? Of course, hydrosphere. Now, next is, what is the layer of the earth surrounding by air called? The layer of the earth surrounding the air, right? Our surrounding has air, right? That is oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, ozone gas. This all gases, right? Atmosphere is made up of all the gases, right? So answer will be atmosphere. Into how many parts biosphere is divided? Now, students, biosphere, it means life. Biosphere is equal to life, right? So biosphere is divided into two parts. One is living things and one is non-living. We human are living, right? But if we talk about plants, right, then that will come to non-living, but that is also part of biosphere, right? So it is divided into two parts, living and non-living. Okay, students, in this way we have completed till 20, right? Answer the following in one word. 20 we have completed. Still we have to do more, right? Still it is pending. So in next session we will continue with answer the following in one word. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye, and take care of yourself.